Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Again, gold reacting to the fib support that we discussed in the last video. So at the moment, I don't need to introduce any change to the wave structure, to the wave count. This rally was kind of anticipated as a potential B wave rally, yeah. And then another C wave down still has to be considered. So we are going to take a look at the structure right now. As I explained to you before, I'm still leaning towards a bullish scenario in that we had here a wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside into 2024, wave 4 and 5. An overall bullish structure could possibly take us to around about $2,500. I have warned you that it might not be an easy ride, and it will probably be a rocky road if we indeed continue to climb higher, because the move up is a wave 5 and the structure suggests we might be dealing with a diagonal pattern here to the upside, which means the subwaves, yeah, they are ABC structures. So also here, wave 3 likely an A, B, C structure. So just be aware of that. It can be counted as an impulse. I showed you in the last video a few options, but this here is at the moment my primary scenario. I will have to change my perspective only below 1894. So in that this is an A wave, we pulled back in a B wave, and well, that B wave is likely still in the making, but from somewhere here in this support region, the C wave should start. Is it the start of the C wave? I don't have enough evidence for that yet. So what we have to do now, once a local top has formed, we need to analyze basically the pullback. My interpretation was that we come down here in an A wave. This here is now a B wave rally, and we can then come down still in a C wave. This move up looks like a small 5 wave pattern. So it looks impulsive potentially, okay. So if we wanted to add a little bit of detail to this wave count, let me just change the wave degrees here. So this move up starts to look impulsive. So what I'm watching for is potentially an ABC structure within B. That's sort of what we'd like to see. So the next pullback ideally is corrective. If the next pullback is corrective, then it should send us still higher in wave C. Or already, I mean, this could already be a 1-2 setup that sends us higher direct. But the market may not make it that easy. So again, as I explained before, the market, despite the deep pullback, in my opinion, shows still a fairly bullish structure as we're heading into 2024. And I think 2024 could be a good year for the metals. It already started, yeah. Obviously, end of 2022, we have a nice rally, corrective pullback, another nice rally, actually made a new all-time high, another pullback, which is currently, my reading, corrective, but the risk is there for a deeper B wave. So yeah, ABC. But anyway, you know, to keep it simple, against 1894, we said we can still focus on higher, and it reacted perfectly to the 50% retracement level. Yeah. So actually, if this is now the B wave higher, then if we align it with probabilities, the market shouldn't really break above the 78.6 retrace. So ideally not above 2,116 when it is a B wave. Surely, B waves can overshoot and all this exotic stuff. But if we break above that level, in my opinion, it will start to shift probabilities towards a direct breakout in the third wave. But for now, I still primarily expect lower into the yellow support area. Noting, however, that the overall structure is quite bullish. I will not rule out that we've already bottomed, but I would need to see a break above 2,116 next, followed by a break above 2,154. Yeah, so that should give you all the information actually. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, then check out our S&P 500 and stocks service. You can find the link for that one in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.